Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to open two Shimmering Skies pack, only because I am running a little short on time, don't have time to open the full box, but give you a sneak peek of the two packs that I got today. Let's dive on in. Alright, so we got a Minnie Mouse Compassionate Friend, Medal of Heroes, Evil Comes Prepared, Night Howler Rage, White Rabbit, Royal Herald, Happy Lively Night, Shenzi, Scar's Accomplice, Invited to the Ball, Stitch, Team Underdog, Prince Philip, Swordsman of the Realm. It's a nice card. We got a super rare Merlin, Intellectual Visionary. Nice card there. And then our foil is going to be Merlin the Turtle. Alright, that was a pretty good pack. Let's see what we got in pack number 2. Alright, we got Radigan, Raging Rat, Ed, Laughing Hyena, a little low, sorry, Cogsworth, Illuminary Watchman, Fix-It Felix Jr., Trusty Builder, Chaka, Impressive Daughter, Simba, Lost Prince, Arthur, Novice Sparrow, Ludwig von Drake, nice card there, Amethyst Chromicon, Bonsai, Glutinous Predator. Alright, we got the Great Illuminary, and a foil Taffeta Mutton Fudge. It's an okay pack. And that'll do it for today. Like and subscribe, and we will open that Illuminator's Trove hopefully tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.